Today we will discuss some book exercises to understand the concept of noun number. So let's begin it. First exercise is write the plurals of these words. So words are given here. You have to write the plurals. First word is ray. What will be the plural here? It will be rays. As I told you, if there is vowel before the Y, then we have to add only S at the end. So ray, rays. Roof, it is ending with F. But here, as I told you, there are some exceptional cases. We just add S at the end if the word ends with F. But to the most of the word, if the word ends with F or FE, we add VES. But here we will add S as it's an exceptional case. Roof, roofs. Fly, flies. FLY. Instead of Y, I will write IES. Why? Because here is consonant before the Y, L. Next is dwarf. Plural of dwarf is dwarfs. It could be dwarfs also. We can add S also, or we can write DWARFVES. We can write dwarves also. We can write dwarfs also. Right? We can add S, or we can replace F, or we can add VES. In both the way it is correct. Diary. Plural of diary will be diaries. We'll add IES as there is consonant before Y. Next is class. As the word is ending with double S, we'll add ES at the end. Classes. Next is thief. As the word is ending with F, we'll add VES at the end and we will remove F. It will become thieves. We'll remove F and we'll add VES at the end. Next is bunch. Here we'll write bunches because the word is ending with CH. So if there is CH at the end, then we add ES to make it plural. Next word is family. So plural of family will be families, as there is L before Y and L is consonant. So whenever there is consonant before Y, we add IES, and whenever there is vowel before the Y, then we add only S. Next. In next exercise, plurals are already given and you have to write the singular form of these words. So first word is mice. Mice is the plural of mouse. Cherries. Cherries is the plural of cherry. We can see it from here. IES. So we always replace IES in place of Y. So it's understood that we have to write Y at the end. So cherries will become cherries. Next word is stories. So plural of singular of stories is story. STOREY, story. Because here is vowel before Y, and whenever there is vowel before Y, we add S. It means its singular form will be story. We have added only S at the end, so it means we have to write story. Next word is wives. So wives is the plural of wife. So its singular form will be wife. Because VES added to the words when we replace FE, right? Next is dish. Next is dishes. So in place of singular form of dishes will be dish. As SH to SH we add ES. So singular form will be dish. Proofs. Singular form of proofs will be proof. Next word is scarves. Singular form of scarves will be scarf. Puppies. Singular form of puppies will be puppy. Calves. Singular form of calves will be calf.
Now, next exercise is choose the correct options and fill in the blanks. Here, there some options are given and you have to choose the correct option and fill up in the blanks. First is, I saw a gaggle of dash. Gaggle means group of goose. So group of goose is called gaggle. It means it is a plural. So we have to fill it is more than one. So we have to fill geese here. So answer will be, I saw a gaggle of geese.
A pack of dash attacked the cows. Who attacked the cows? A pack of wolf or wolves. Pack of wolf is formed when more than one wolf is there. So we'll write plural form here. So we'll write here wolves. My dash is a gift from my friend. It means we are asking about only single thing. My watch is a gift from my friend. Did you see those dash chasing the robber? Policeman or policeman? What we'll write here? Did you see those? Here those is written here. So those means we are talking about more than one person. So it means we have to write the plural form. So we'll write here policemen. Dash prepared innovative models. Who prepared innovative models? Childs or children? There is no word childs. So plural of child is children. There is no plural like childs. So we'll write here children prepared innovative models. Who is not fond of dash? Pastries or pastries, pastries. Who is not fond of pastries? Correct spelling of pastries is pastries and plural of pastries is pastries, not ys. Why? Because there is consonant before the y. You can see there is consonant before the y, pastry. So plural of pastry will be pastries. Then have you brushed your teeth? What do we brush? We don't brush single tooth. We brush our teeth. So you'll write here, have you brushed your teeth? These dash are blunt. These dash knife or knives. We'll write here knives. Why? You can see these is written. So these is used for more than one thing. So we'll write here these knives are blunt. The dash have magical powers. Who has magical power? Elf or else. The dash have magical powers. So here have is used. So have is been used for more than one. When there is more than one person, more than one subject is there, then we add have. Then we say have. Then we have the helping verb have. So we'll write here the elves have magical power. Where is your dash? Where is your scarf or scarves? So we'll write here where is your scarf. Now the next exercise. Fill in the blanks with the plurals of given words. Here some words are given in brackets. You have to fill the plural form of these words in all these blanks. So first blank is some dash love dash. So here we have to fill the plural form of woman. So we'll write here some. What is the plural of woman? Plural of woman is women. So instead of A we write E. So it is woman. Some women love dash ornament. What is the plural of ornament? It is ornaments. We learn from the dash of great dash. So we learn from the dash. What is the plural of life? Plural of life is lives. Plural of life is lives. We learn from the lives of great man. So plural of man is men. Buy some dash of bread and boil some dash potato. So what is the plural of loaf? Plural of loaf is loaves. And boil some potatoes. I pasted all the dash into dash. I pasted all the photo. What is the plural of photo? Plural of photo is photos. We add only s at the end. Into dash. Plural of album. Plural of album is albums. Have you seen the dash of Goa? Have you seen the church? What is the plural of church? Plural of church is churches. Have you seen the churches of Goa? Please wash your dash. What is the plural of hand? Plural of hand is hands. And dash, plural of foot is feet. Plural of foot is feet. Hindus worship many dash God. Plural of God is gods. And goddess. What is the plural of goddess? Goddesses. So these are the plural form of the words we have to fill here in the blanks. Next is many dash are spoken in our country. So plural of language is languages. Language, languages. I have many dash dictionary. I have many dictionaries. So we'll write a plural form of dictionary. Plural form of dictionary is dictionaries. The dash were climbing hills. The pony, plural of pony is ponies. The ponies were climbing hills. So in this exercise we have filled the plural form of all the words which are given in brackets. So remember the rules and change the singular form to plural form. Next exercise. Now the next exercise is rewrite the following sentences changing the underlined nouns into plural nouns. So here if you see in each sentence nouns are underlined and we have to write the plural form of these naming words, these nouns, and we have to rewrite the sentence. So let's start. First is the tiger killed the stag. So we have to write the plural form of tiger and stag. So the sentence will be the tigers killed the stags. Next is the watchman caught the thief. So again we have to write the plural form of watchman and thief here. So what will be the sentence? The watchmen. Instead of man we'll write men. Watchmen caught the thieves. Instead of thief we'll write thieves. Next is they awarded the hero and heroine of the film. So we have to write the plural form of all these three naming words. So what will be there? They awarded the heroes. Hero, heroes. Heroine, heroine, heroines of the film, films. So sentence will be they awarded the heroes and heroines of the films. Next, the nurse looked after the newborn baby. So we have to write the plural form of nurse and baby. So what is the plural form here? The nurses looked after the newborn babies. Plural of nurse is nurses and baby is babies. Next is leaf fell off the tree. So what is the plural of leaf? We'll write here leaves. Leaves fell off the trees. Plural of tree is trees. So we have done the exercise and we have cleared the concept of singular and plural noun. So children just keep in mind the various rules which we have followed, the various rules which we have learned to change the singular noun to plural noun. Always keep in mind these rules and change the singular noun to plural noun, and similarly you can change the plural form to the singular form also. So that's all in this video. Thank you.